I've ordered the spring and spring housing for this Stihl MS260C off eBay. It's over, so I should have it here Monday at the latest. But I figured it's no reason to not continue work on this saw, as it needs quite a bit of work. And what I'm doing, I'm just gonna clean it out as best I can, and just doing that as I wait for the parts. And so I like to just use one of these plastic containers to keep all the things that I'm going to clean in, and I just usually soak them in some sort of degreaser and soap and wash them out. Now, to take this apart, you really only need a nice big flat screwdriver and a Torx T27, and most of it just comes off right easily. And you'll see right here, to get this back cover off, all you do is just twist, take off. Now this is the air filter, and if you can see down there, there are two slotted screws that you can just take off. So you just use the screwdriver and it comes right off the carburetor, and you can see still right in there. Now this is not going to get clean. I'm just going to blow it with a compressor. Now inside you can see that the carburetor also is quite filthy in there. So all this just needs a good cleaning. The top cover has a slotted screw right on the top there. Just open that. Top cover comes off, and you can see that also really is dirty. So that to be clean. And because this is one of those saws that doesn't or has a tensioner, take it off, and that cover comes off. Again, just really dirty to be cleaned. Now, this is the tensioner for the chain. You can see that when I turn it, the chain, that's all you really need. But that comes off, along with the sword and chain. And that is just set on there. So this is also to be cleaned. I also like to give the chain a good cleaning. So you just take a flat screwdriver there, fit it in carefully, try and get it off. So that's the C-clip. Get it on camera there. That protects the clutch drum. So you can take this ring off. Just remember which way it goes on. Can't really put it the wrong way on. There's the sprocket and the clutch drum. There's a needle bearing right here that sits on there, and you can see, I'm going to try and get it on. It's a nice. Take the muffler off because that's quite easy. The muffler has two Torx T27, one there, one in here. You can see right in there. So just undo those, take the muffler off, and even more is ready. These can be seated quite well. And you'll find again inside here there are two more T27 bolts in there, one on each side. So you take that off and you'll have direct access to the cylinder or exhaust port on the cylinder, like so. And again, this thing is dirty, really dirty, and it looks like it's been burning a little bit of oil because there's some carbon buildup in there. You can see the piston in there. So yeah, what I'm noticing now is you can see the muffler is actually cracked. I'm gonna try and get that on camera. Decent sized crack in there, and well, there's no carbon buildup on the screen, but I've got another Stihl. I think it's a 060 or something that's got a similar type that I might just use for parts. I'm not sure, but I'll look at it. I can also weld this and just get it right. I'll see what I do. What you do to disassemble this, and you'll have access to most parts. I'm gonna do a part on its own with this, the carburetor and fuel lines and all that, and linkages, and we'll go from there. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video in this series.